Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make butashabu somen. It's somen noodles with pork and vegetable toppings. Somen is very thin wheat noodles, so it's like Japanese version of capellini. And it's usually served cold, so it's our summertime favorite. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this butashabu somen, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 400 grams of thinly sliced pork, any part you like, but it's very thinly sliced like shabu-shabu style. 8 bundles of somen noodles, some green onion, 2 eggplants, 2 bell peppers, 5 tablespoons each of soy sauce and mirin, and 1 tablespoon each of hondashi, instant Japanese soup stock, and grated ginger. Let's make the sauce or the soup first. 1 cup of water, mirin, soy sauce, and hondashi into the pot. Turn the heat on and just bring it to boil. In the meantime, let's prepare the vegetables. Both eggplant and bell peppers into 4 long way. Cut into half. Remove the seeds and the pith. And into half. Cut the top off into 4. Now the broth is boiling. Just turn the heat off and let it sit. Prepare some vegetable oil in the frying pan over medium to medium-high heat. It's about half an inch from the bottom of the frying pan, and let's fry the vegetables. With the skin facing down. And just fry them until it's slightly browned. Once it's slightly browned, drain it well and put it straight into the pot of broth. Let's give it an ice bath to chill completely. So here, I have some ice. Put the pot here. and just let it sit until it's completely chilled. Now, I'm cooking the pork. So prepare plenty of fully boiling water. Turn the heat off and add the pork. You're cooking the pork with the heat off basically, but if the hot water gets too cold, you can heat it up. Turn the heat off and let's add pork. Cook like you're rinsing it in hot water. Once it's cooked, take out in a strainer. And just let it sit. No need to cool it down in ice water. Back to the broth. In the ice bath, it's completely chilled. Let's add grated ginger. And give it a mix. And the broth is ready. So it's time to cook the somen noodles. Prepare plenty of boiling water and let's cook the somen noodles by following the instruction on the package. This one says cook for a little over a minute. Okay, let's drain. And rinse the noodles under running water like you're polishing it. It's very hot at the beginning, so be careful. Then, chill the noodles in ice water. Serve the noodles in the bowl. Place the vegetables. And the pork nicely. Put some broth. let's finish it up with some sliced green onion. And tonshabu somen is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. It's so good. I'm sure I'll be having this so many times this summer. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Butashabu somen is noodles, but it's carb, so it goes here and it also covers the main. We normally don't have any soup when we have somen noodles. Anything you like for the side dishes, but how about broccoli no garibata shoyu itame for one of them, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!